Hello everyone. This is the fifth video in the series Let Us Power BI. So if you want to start from the beginning, I highly recommend that you go through the playlist Let Us Power BI. This is mentioned in the video notes. You can have a look. So in this video, we will learn how to connect to a SQL Server database and get the data. So I've got Power BI desktop open here with me, and I go and click on the Get Data tab, and I click on SQL Server, and I'll just type localhost. And then I've got the database name with me, so I'll just paste that and click OK. And I'll just say, yeah, connect using my credentials. And I'm not concerned if the data is not encrypted or the connection is not encrypted. So I'll hit OK again. And it is showing me all the tables available in AdventureWorks 2017 database. So I'm just gonna pick a few out. So I'm going to use customer, date, product, and I will use fact internet sales. So I've got these tables selected. I will just click on load. So as you can see, the data has become available to me on the right hand side on the fields tab. And you can also go on the relationships, and you can see it has built the relationships in the table as well. So that's a pretty good one. And what I could do is I could just say show me the tax amount, total product cost, and sales amount. And I will just convert it into a table. And I will just say show me by product name, so I'll just select that English product name, and I'll just focus on this. So you can see it is just showing us at the moment it is just showing us the tax amount. But what I could do is I could also bring in the sales amount here. So let me select the table again, and let me focus on this. So you can see it's showing us the tax amount and the sales amount by English product name. So we've just connected to the database and just built a quick report using Power BI. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing.